Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the new Mythical Epic Luma, so let's get into the video. Alright, so the new Mythical Epic has just come out for hackers. We cannot yet see it because it says oops missing asset, but we can see the stuff about it and its name, which I've already said is Luna. And its description says, using the power of moonlight, Luna is able to see things that might happen in the future and uses this to help others in the present. So this should be a copy or a variant of Luminite, which looks like this, and we can actually see that a little bit with the silhouette, which we will look at in a few minutes. But here is Luna right here, pet 196. We can't see it, and its stats are like an 8-2. It is 8,796 hearts, and it's a storm element, even though it has 0 storm attack. So now I'm going to hop onto a different account that has the battle update so that we can battle with it. Oh well, now we can actually see it, and this thing looks so cool. Okay, so we can now see Luna, and I really like how this looks. So yeah, I guess we are going to go ahead and get into a battle. I'm not going to show you the silhouette anymore because you guys get to see what it looks like now. So here we go. We are going to go into a battle and see what it looks like. Alright, here we are in the battle with Luna, and as you can see, it has all shadow spells instead of electric, or storm like it said. I don't think that it's a storm type, and yeah, so that attack doesn't have good accuracy. So now we are going to use its mythical epic attack, which is Twilight. So here we go, and I like its attack animation. So that did a lot of damage. So for some reason we don't have the end screen update on this account. So yeah, I really like this epic, it's very cool. But I think that we can go on to on the account that we are just on, and we can do a comparison of attack animations, because I have the I don't have the battle update on that account. So here they are side by side. They have the exact same non-movement animation, or they're just like floating animation. So we are going to go into battle to compare how they attack with a all-out. Alright, so we already have an all-out attack ready for us, which is good. So we are going to answer this question, which is 23, and we can compare their attack animations. So yeah, they're pretty much the exact same, and I really like how this epic looks. So yeah, I think this is probably one of the best epics that Prodigy has released, and it looks like there are going to be 3 more that are coming that are going to be just as cool as it. But yeah, that's going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, leave a comment on what you think of this, and bye.